In primetime news this evening, WHO warns the world to take action to fight the coronavirus. Concerns about lack of awareness about earthquake safety among citizens. And Pembroke Hall teacher who threatened student to face disciplinary hearing Thursday. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Vashon Brown has our preview.
Thank you so much, Janella. I know you've heard about it, a major rebranding exercise. The RJR Gleaner Communications Group flagship radio station now has a new name. I'll tell you all about it later on in the business day.
All right, thank you, Vashon. And from that, we go to Jermaine Brown, who has what's coming up in sports. Jermaine.
Well, thank you, Herman. Well, it seems the coronavirus continues to have rippling effects, or in this case, relay effects, as the IAAF the World Indoor Championships has been postponed. We'll tell you more when we come back.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening, we are asking, are you familiar with the drop, cover, and hold safety method used in the event of an earthquake?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.